As we dive into the world of Tesla stock, fasten your seatbelts and get ready for an exciting journey. Over the past year, the EV behemoth has experienced extreme ups and downs in the stock market that would make anyone's head spin. Nevertheless, despite all that volatility, one thing is still evident. Come along as we study the highs and lows of Tesla stock performance and hear from a successful entrepreneur who has some intriguing insights into the business's future. Tesla is here to stay, and as the market changes, the company is prepared to be the best in its class. In the tech and financial industries, Chamath Palihapitiya is a true powerhouse. He has a great ability to recognize and invest in technologies that are changing the game and to push innovative methods to propel naturally. The man has set his eyes on taking businesses to new heights. Prior to us going there, clicking like and subscribing, Tesla was the leading technology company in the world for an extended period of time. Over the past year, Tesla's stock has fluctuated greatly, but it's crucial to keep in mind that the market as a whole suffered last year. Since I don't have a lot of money, I have to come up with creative ways to pay for my ideas. Tesla will be very busy striving to be the top in his class in 2021. Chamath Palihapitiya claimed that he had sold his Tesla stock since it was worth so much and he needed the money for other investments. During that January, he stated the value of Tesla shares was approximately $800. Palihapitiya said CNBC that given the possibility of a stock doubling or even triple by 2022, the company was not a distributed energy company. Because of the increasing demand for electric vehicles and the preference of investors for expanding businesses, although the stock did not do as well as the market overall in the year following its 743% increase from 2019 to 2020, Tesla was one of the largest winners on the stock market. Instead, it increased by just 10.7%. A highly successful businessman and venture capitalist from the San Francisco Bay Area named Palihapitiya stated that while his opinion on Tesla has slightly shifted, he is still positive about the firm and believes he was mistaken about the potential size of the EV market. In order to invest in businesses and sectors that most venture capital firms don't focus on, such as the healthcare industry, Palihapitiya launched Social Capital in 2011. Since then, the company has increased its investments to include tech titans like Amazon between Tesla and Slack, the finance sector, and the education sector. One way to get electricity wins. There were many obstacles in Tesla's path, according to Chamath, but the company's long-term success can be linked to its status as a pioneer in the electric vehicle market. Palihapitiya stated this in an interview with CNBC in 2019. The question is whether CEO Elon Musk can build the infrastructure. I think he will if we give him time and let him work at it. When asked about Elon Musk's comments regarding Tesla's production numbers and finances, Palihapitiya, an investor in the company, said that he believed people were spending too much time on Musk's window dressing and not enough on the main course, which is Tesla and how competitive it is in the market. He compared Tesla rivals, like all these new electric cars, to the Zoom media player, which was a failed Microsoft iPod rival. In response, Palihapitiya stated that it is your responsibility as a shrewd investor to separate fact from fiction and background noise in the news. Elon Musk has shown that he can stick to bigger promises over time, according to Chamath, who is still a Tesla shareholder. He said that Elon Musk's tweets and podcasts don't matter because demand for Tesla cars is far higher than that of any other electric car company. Tens of thousands of people have expressed interest in buying a Model S, but there aren't enough of them available. Musk asserts that after driving one, your preconceptions about what a car ought to be are altered will be rendered totally and permanently useless. Chamath claims that there are many who are betting against this strategy, which has never worked well in the past, because it is never a good idea to back up bettors who are revolutionizing their industry. Purchasing Tesla stock makes sense financially for a number of reasons. There are a number of reasons for this, including the fact that Tesla's market capitalization is more than twice that of its competitors. In addition, some believe that the company's cutting-edge electric vehicles are currently trading below their all-time highs, making an investment in one in 2023 wise. Nevertheless, Tesla is not without its difficulties. The company, like many others, must deal with the effects of rising rates and inflation on its cost of capital and growth stock valuation. Additionally, a few investors are concerned about Elon Musk's behavior. Notwithstanding these reservations, the CEO of Tesla just spent $44 billion to acquire Twitter and sold $23 billion worth of Tesla stock in 2022 to fund the transaction. While some people think that Tesla's business is slowing down due to price, the company is becoming a money-making machine and is ahead of its competitors in the auto industry. In Q3 2022, Tesla's total sales increased by 56 to 21.45 billion, and its net income increased by 100 to 3.29 billion. The forward-priced earnings multiples of Tesla, which are currently 23 and higher than typical, but no longer expensive relative to the average, are attributed by some to problems and engineering in China. In addition, investors should take into account the 25 times Nasdaq multiple, which is higher than that of established value stocks like McDonald's and Coca-Cola. Tesla is priced considerably more affordably than these two companies, which have 4 multiples of 26 and 25, respectively. Lastly, production of Tesla cars is running at a satisfactory level, with factories in Texas and Germany producing 2,000 vehicles per week at the company's Fremont manufacturing facility. At the end of the third quarter of 2014, California also saw record levels of output, and Tesla had $21.1 billion in cash and securities, which put the company in a great position to continue growing and expanding. Why does Chamath Palihapitiya believe that Tesla will double in value, or that the stock will soar to insane heights in the future? There are a number of reasons why James is a fervent supporter of Tesla and its inspiring CEO, Elon Musk. First, he recognizes Tesla's leadership in the electric vehicle market and credits CEO Elon Musk's groundbreaking technological advancements for it. Chamath praises Tesla for their noteworthy developments in battery technology, driving range, and overall EV performance. He also acknowledges Tesla's pioneering role in the EV market, which is expanding quickly as more people become aware of the advantages of electric cars from an environmental and financial standpoint. Second, Chamath emphasizes Tesla's dedication to sustainable energy and its advancement of solar power, expressing optimism about the company's ability to completely transform the energy sector. Ultimately, energy storage technologies and solutions will be important future growth drivers. Long-term investor Chamath believes disruptive technology has the potential to provide significant returns over time. In light of this, he sees Tesla as a once-in-a-generation opportunity and recognizes the firm as a leader in the continuing transformation of the automotive and energy industries. Chamath Palihapitiya steadfastly backed despite some worries about inflation and Musk's actions. Tesla is based on his long-term investment plan, his faith in the company's technological innovation, and its potential to disrupt many industries. Tesla stock continues to be an appealing investment choice overall. Take it from one of the richest men in the world, Palihapitiya. He is a successful venture capitalist and entrepreneur who was listed as the 10th newcomer to Forbes magazine's billionaire list in 2021. If this man is correct, there's going to be a major disruption that will cause Tesla to double in value again. So we better be prepared and taking notes to profit from some of the most disruptive technologies the world has ever seen. If you enjoy this video, hit the like button, and if you enjoy the content, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.